single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Today I'm back with you for some installation videos. One about installing a winch on the Traxxas Ultimate RC Hauler, and also one on a TRX4 Defender, but the TX4 Defender has a aftermarket bumper and it's a little bit tricky to build it in. I will show you that how I did it. This is the truck. So let's take this out of the box somehow. Oh, there's the manual already. And I think I have it upside down, yep. I have to turn it around. Let's turn it around. So let's see. It's yeah, it's straight up now. It's a big box, so it's hard to get out, but to get in also. But I won't put it in anymore. So the box is gone. The other box, whoopa. That. It's a bit one-handed. It's difficult. So there's a box on top of it. Some other ingredients in this. The box that's some later. So this is the protection shield of the box. And then we have the holder. There you go. This is the holder. Let's see. This is the truck. So it has a flat bat for yeah, holding cars away. And then we have the cabin. It's a very nice cabin. So as you can see, very nice wheels also. So we take off the hood like this. There we go. And this is the inside. So it's yeah, almost the same as the TRX6 Mercedes or the other TRX6s, you know. So always the same interior, or a TRX4 also. So yeah, and I think it's time to build in that winch. Actually, to put a winch on this truck, the parts are inside the box of the car. There's also a little information sheet about how to do it. So well, I would say let's build in the winch. This one should be easy. The plate that's in the package has to go on here. There are 4 screws down there, and you have to mount this piece there. And then the winch is going on top of this. So I will show you how to do that now. So this is the winch with remote control. All necessary cables. So let's see if we can take out these screws, put everything aside here. So these screws have to be removed. Ah, they're fuck. No. They're tightened very hard, so I have to use another tool for that. We'll use one with some more leverage. of this plate. As you can see, this is mounted on top of the plastic holder. Now the cables have to go in here. It's not that difficult, you can lead them in this place. There you go. And there you go, hopla. So now you can screw this on to the car. There's also a little dent in the plate here for the cables to pass through, so no problem there. So let's screw this onto the car. There you go. Voila. So that goes on there. And therefore I use the screws that were from the same holes that came out of the same holes. So let's put those in. Let's put the cam good. Okay, so let's put this plate on top of the car. There you go. Some extra screwing. And then it's all mounted correctly. Then connect the electricity and it works. So let's see if it's completely in there. So we don't have any loose screws. Okay, screw. That's okay. It's a little tight. This a little more, and this a little more. There you go, and it is fast. So that's the hook. So we're in here with the electricity now. Yeah, so let's take that out. There you go. This goes in like this. There you go. Then this one goes in here. Here you go, red to red. Okay, also good here, yes. And then of course the winch goes in here, okay. Yeah, you can tighten up a little the cables here. As you can see, the electronics go in like that. So you have to connect this to the voltage distribution, and then connect your winch again here, and of course the motor, and all that electricity goes in there. So that's fine. So it's time to test this out, I guess. If I can find a small battery to fit in here. So yes, the winch is built in, so the car is also on the mantle here, And well, let's see if the winch works. So the winch is in between here. So let's stretch it out. There's a button for that in there. Then you can pull it. With one hand it's a bit difficult, but you can see the winch is out, the cable. Then we have the remote control for the winch. And see, it's working. There you go. So that's nice. That works. So I'm happy that is fine. So that is how you put on the winch on this car. You can see also the lighting now on the car. There's some lights on it. It's very cool. So I hope you like this video. Of course, if you want to see more, subscribe and follow us. And yeah, I would say goodbye. See you later, guys. Bye bye.